Hey everyone, figured it was time for an update on the dozer. I've got the new blade tilt servos are in, but unfortunately the Sabertooth ESC does not like the load, and I gotta get an external BEC for it to run the blade. So, still anxious to give it a test. I've done a few things, got a sound unit in it, and I've also hooked it up to my DX6 and set all the limits or endpoints so the thing isn't crazy fast anymore. So I was anxious to try it out, so here goes. Oh, forgot the lights. Well, it's been a while, but it does have the jam. I just gotta figure out the blade and get the traction. Thanks for watching.